La 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 like the waves that kiss our shores. She came with strength we can't ignore. Eyes like dawn, soul aflame, carrying pride in Kiribati's name. Her footsteps whispered through the sand. A queen was rising by her hand. She held the stars in her gentle gaze, lighting the world with island praise. She walks for the unheard, she speaks for the sea. She stands as a beacon of all we can be. Oh, Miss Kiribati, we love you. Atiterentaai, whoa, whoa, we're proud of you. Sitangiri koneko, rise and shine so bright. Hi, Miss Kiribati, 2025. With every heart we cheer and cry. Forever you soar, forever you fly. Name is Kiribati, 2025. Hey, wait, I say. Across the oceans wide and blue, the world now sees what we always knew. She's the daughter of islands, the keeper of flame, carving a story in history's name. Her crown is woven of coral and sky, her spirit rising ever high. Symbol of beauty, of wisdom, of grace, a reflection of every island face. She sings with the dolphins, she dances with trees. She's the voice of tomorrow, carried by breeze. Our Miss Kiribati, we love you. Our Atiterentaai, whoa, we're proud of you. Sitangiri koneko, rise and shine so bright. Our name is Kiribati, 2025. With every heart we cheer and cry. Forever you soar, forever you fly. Our name is Kiribati, 2025.
Kobatian rarabane ko kibukinam ko na buhay. Awam kikia kibukirang araka yung Kiribati te waram tayo na kaneko.
You are the light of the ocean, Atiterentaai, chosen to carry the island and the tide. Our Miss Kiribati, we love you. Atiterentaai, whoa, we're proud of you. Sitangiri koneko, rise and shine.